Guys, pakita ko sa inyo itong mga hotel dito sa very near the falls. Yan o, Marriott. Marriott din yung isa. Tapos yung Tower Hotel, ang ganda nun. Hyatt. Tapos yung isa is Hilton. Hilton. That one is casino. Andyan si Papa ngayon, nag-work siya. And that is the revolving tower. The restaurant is on that side where you can view the Niagara Falls. Beautiful. But, how much is one meal there? Is $100. Equivalent to 4,000 to 5,000 pesos. One person. But they say it's so delicious. Masarap siya. And you can go there. Yan, mga hotels dyan is also $500 to $1,000. It depends. Yan. Meaning 20 to 40,000 per night pesos. It depends. Ayan guys. So ito, I'm walking along this side. It's a bridge. It's a crossing from the Niagara Parks power station. Crossing here, there's a bridge here connecting to that other side of the the falls. And see, look, here is the falls itself. Actually my phone is on this side here. Anytime my phone can fall there, so nanginginig ang aking paa. But anyways, I will hold my phone very 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 well. So yan ang falls natin. See, yan ang pinakagilid ng ating falls. So yung yan. Ay, wait, one sec. Hindi makita. So hindi ko makita, hindi maipakita yung kamay ko. I can't pinpoint kasi yung kamay ko is very big. Ayan ang ating sunshine. Thank you Lord for another day. Yan, ito yung pinaka body ng tubig dito sa Canada side. Tapos yan, maraming nagja-jogging. Yan ang bala ko, mag-jogging, but then I ended up videoing. I usually plan to walk or slight jogging lang, but then I ended up taking a video. Anyways, I'm happy with what I'm doing. So let's go, move forward. Let's go forward. My other phone is low battery. Wala nang battery. Yung aking ultraviolet, no, just kidding. Ayan po, yung ating hindi ko nga alam kung ano yan eh. I'm not sure what is this for. It was so rusty and then they repaint it with that green color. So I'm not sure what is that for. It was there long time ago. There's a small office there, yung mga office dyan. But walang tao dyan. There's no person in there. So I don't know. So ito, it's blue. I don't know if that's deep because it's colored blue. Anyways, let's go back. Here, it's a flood control. Oh, guys, may flood control dito. I'm gonna show you beautiful, amazing, nakakatakot nga lang. So I can raise my voice. My voice, maybe you can't hear my voice kasi maingay yung tubig. Wait, yan yung itsura niya, oh. Yan. Mahaba yan hanggang doon. Mahaba. Here. Yan guys. Yun is hot air balloon yata. Yun, hot air balloon. That's New York Buffalo. Yan. Meron din silang casino dun eh. I believe that's the casino there. Seneca Casino. I believe that's the Seneca Casino. That is the bridge connecting Canada to the USA. Ayan siya, oh. hindi kita, pero I can see from my without my glasses. With my glasses, I can see the build yung ayun let's move closer. Yes. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the bridge connecting from Canada, Niagara Falls to New York. Yung Buffalo, New York. Mayroon siyang small island dyan. I don't know if somebody already crossed to go there. Yeah, but I'm not sure if somebody already went there. Maybe by airlift to go there. It's a small island where ang daming mga seagulls. Seagulls na usually. Seagulls and geese. Seagulls and geese living there. I'm not sure if someone went across to go there, but I'm not sure. It's dangerous. Not allowed. Just cross to go there, no. Maybe by airlift then we can go there. Mahirap. Because it's very near the falls. Ayan yung gilid ng falls. Let's go. Move forward. Let's move forward. Wala akong hawakan ng cellphone kaya masakit ang kamay ko sa pag ito pala siya pwede rin ito mag-view. Yan. See, isn't it beautiful, amazing, but it's dangerous, nakakatakot. Tingnan mo yung pag-wave ng tubig pag niya diba, kakatakot. Okay. Ang gandang mag-swing dyan, guys. Masarap mag-swing. You can swing there. But be sure you know how to swim with life jackets. But it is not allowed. It's not allowed to go there. I'm just imagining someone going there to swim. But it's really not allowed to go there. Bawal nga ang dyan mag-boat hanggang doon lang mag-boat may pinagbawal. Far. Yeah. Can't do boating or fishing over there. It's not allowed. Anyway, let's move forward. Yeah. This is an old tree. Ang ganda. It's a big tree. Okay. Moving forward, ang ating viewpoint is on that side there. Canada side. Let's zoom. Ayan ang mga tao. I was there earlier, but then I have to walk. Yes, see? Walang masyadong tao ngayon. Konti lang ngayon. Yeah. Konti lang ang tao ngayon. Actually, it's 7:30, I believe. Because I was here 6:20 or 6:25. Was waiting for the sunshine before I started to walk. And I believe it's almost 8 a.m. This July 25, 2026. So that is our viewpoint for Canada side. Yan. So the viewpoint across the US side is, I don't know if I could zoom and see the Canada viewpoint side. One day we'll be going there by walk. We cross the bridge by walking. We plan that one. We go and cross and then we'll see how it looks. Yung Falls din natin. Zoom natin, you'll see. Hindi ko makita because the sun is, against on my face. So I can't see where will I direct my zoom. So let's try and see. See. Do you see anything there? Not sure if I can show you where is the wala because it's covered by the mist. It's covered by the mist. I'm sorry, I can't zoom it because the sun is against on my face. Look, the sun. The sun is shining on my face. That's why I can't zoom it. Let's go back. All right, let's go. Everybody's taking a video or photo. Ayan, oh. So let's move forward. So yan guys, oh, I'll show you something. This tree is bent, going down. It should be up, right? But then it's going down. Wait one sec. Look, it is bent downward. So actually it was open yan to go inside because there's a space inside. See, someone made a way that look going inside, but then now they close it. I don't know what happened. It's not allowed to go in. But there's a space inside. It's cool. Malamig siya pag pumasok ka sa loob. Diba? I don't know how did the trees bent like this. Maybe during the typhoon, it bent down, and then, oh, yan oh. See, at least you can actually go inside, but not sure if may tao dyan. Pinag-anuhan yata. Pinagtataguan ng, aywan, may maraming mga uod, ayan, uod. I don't wanna go there because one time, maraming uod na nakabitin. Because one time pumasok ako sa sasakyan, ayan oh. Pumasok ako sa sasakyan, sumama yung uod. Madaming uod na ganyan, ayan guys. Kaya nangangati na ako naman kasi natakot ako sa uod. I'm afraid of those. Mamaya nandiyan na naman. Okay. Ayan, palapit na tayo doon sa mga hotels. Marriott Hotel. Sorry. Okay. I'm trying to see if may that worm like lumapit sa akin or nag-stuck sa aking damit. I don't know. Takot ako. Anyways, let's go back to there are bikers, see? Kasi the weather is good for biking. See? There are groups. Ang ganda, very constant yung kanilang takbo. So yeah, it's always dangerous to climb up here. It's not allowed. It's dangerous kasi wala talagang bakod dyan. Yan lang. Ito lang yung bakod niya. Yan lang. So bawal. Kung may police dyan, they are not allowing you to go beyond this point. It's not allowed. Okay, doon ako nagpark guys, dyan, malapit na ako. I might go home after because I'm tired. Pero I will show you first yung pakita ko yung napagod ako, sorry. So yes, moving forward near to the that Wigo bus is the one that touring you around the city. Yan, that's Wigo. Wigo. Dito po yung drop-off nila. This is the parking for that Wigo bus. Yeah, see, papasok siya. Papasok yung bus. Yan. And then, pick up passengers. Pick up siya ng passengers. Or drop off pa nga passengers. Doon ang ano, if you have car coming to Niagara Falls, you can park over there, farther there. See, lots of Wigo bus coming from that side. The passengers park their bus, or I mean a car, where the parking is allotted, and then they will ride into this bus, and then they will come here into the falls. And see, lots of people came out from the bus. They came out from the bus. See, they came from the parking lot. Maybe 150, 3 miles away from here. They park their car there and they ride into the Wigo bus and come here. You know, it's a tourist spot here, kaya they will want to come here and of course view the falls. So there are lots came down from that bus. So ayan guys. So malapit na tayo dito sa ano, viewpoint. Ayan. Maraming nag-view. Maraming mga tao dito. Pero actually, konti lang ngayon. Dadami mamaya. Canada flag natin. No? Okay. Ayan yung ating falls. Doon ako galing kanina. Doon ako galing kanina. And then I'm here, just opposite yung fall dito. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Maraming nag-try na tumalon dyan, pero hindi sila nabuhay. Maraming tumalon dyan for the World Guinness Book of Records, pero walang nabuhay. May they all rest in peace. Wala nang haring araw. Oh, takpan kasi siya ng clouds. Yeah, it's not allowed. It's not allowed to. Dito na tayo sa pinakagilid ng ano. Speechless sila kung makaano. Basta panoorin nyo na lang. Yan guys, panoorin nyo na lang ang itsura niya. Ganyan o. Nanginginig na yung kamay ko sa paghawak ng cellphone kasi ito yung ano, tapos na over the backod yung cellphone ko. Nanginginig na yung cellphone ko. Baka mahulog. See, let's go. Move. Zoom natin. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na island na hindi ko alam kung may nakapunta na dyan. Hindi pwedeng mag-cross dyan. Baka by airlift yun eh. Kasi puro nandyan ay siga. Saka yung mga geese. Pero ang gandang pupunta sana dyan eh. It's a small island in the the middle of the sea ba ito? Or lake? Anyways. Yan guys, may mist. Yung mist na yan, pag makapal na makapal, pupunta dito, parang umuulan. Kaya basang-basa dito kasi kanina siguro, dinala ng hangin dito kanina yung mist, kaya parang umaambon. Kaya ngayon, walang hangin, kaya pupunta sa taas eh. Matakot. Mahulog na talaga doon. Okay, punta tayo doon, malapit. Ayan guys. Hindi mo makita yung tubig sa sentro. May tubig doon. Punta tayo malapit. Sorry. Ayan guys. Ito guys, oh. Yan na. Yung baba mo doon. Ayun, ano na. What happened? Ayan oh. Nakakatakot pupunta dyan. Ayan yung banda doon is US yun. US side. New York yan, Buffalo, New York. Pero hindi kita masyado kasi may mist. Beautiful. Parang mahulog yung cellphone ko dito kasi ito na yung bakod talaga. Over the bakod. Tao dito. Mga iba't ibang pinanggalingan sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Ayan. Mamaya-maya yung ayun pala yung boat hindi ko alam kung boat ng yan eh. Boat ng US yan. Ayan Pag red kasi boat ng Canada. Pero pag blue boat ng US. Hindi blurred. Sorry guys, blurred kasi yung mist kasi. Pero may boat na pala dyan. Pupunta sila dito hanggang dito. Depende. Andun pa sila May isa pa doon. Hindi pa ako naka-ride dyan. Natatakot ako. Takot akong mag-ride dyan. Kaya medyo gloomy ang itsura niya kasi wala pa yung araw. Yun yung araw. Ayun. So alis na ako guys. Thank you so much sa panonood sa aking video. Yan, after this one, dito, pwedeng pumasok dyan. May washroom, may kainan, may mga bilihan ng mga, Niagara Falls, Niagara Falls na mga shopping things, remembrance ba? Yan. And that's the Canada flag. Okay guys, alis na ako kasi parang maraming mga dumadami ang tao. Ay, hindi kita. May mahangin na siya. Hindi kita yung falls na. Ayun. Alis namin. Dumadami na yung mga ating mga tourists dito. Bye na guys. I'm going. Pagod na rin yung kamay ko sa kakahawak. Wala kasing hawakan ng cellphone. Bili nga ako next time. Thank you guys. Marami na talaga. Dumadami na, ayaw ko lumapit kasi hindi lang taga dito mga Ako lang yata taga dito. Sila ay galing sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. May mga dito. Kaya kung napagod kayo, ayan yung mga hotels. Hotel, crossing lang. Malapit lang yan. Maganda ang view pag nandyan kayo. Ay, maganda yata yung bili ako ng ng handle ng phone habang nagvi-video. Ano kayang maganda? Kasi ang laki ng phone ko Samsung to. Old na Samsung to Ayan, kitang-kita rin pala yung falls doon Ayan Bye-bye na. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.